Let's get started on this fully plant-based, gluten-free strawberry rhubarb baked oatmeal. This delicious breakfast recipe is made with ingredients in season this spring, and you can make it once and eat it all week. So we're gonna quarter a cup and a half of strawberries and a cup of chopped rhubarb pieces. Now rhubarb isn't quite in my supermarket yet, and it has a short harvesting season, so if you can't find it, you can find it pre-cut in the freezer aisle. All right, now we're gonna prep our dry and wet ingredients. In our dry mix, we're gonna add rolled oats, cinnamon, baking powder, salt, and nutmeg, mixed to combined. All right, and for our wet mix, we're gonna wanna add 1 1/4 cups milk. I prefer almond milk, but you can use whatever type of milk you prefer. And then we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of ground flax. This is to make 2 vegan eggs. Now, I'm not vegan, but I like to add ground flax to my recipes because it adds a lot of healthy omega fatty acids. However, if you really want to add eggs, you can instead add 2 eggs and then just reduce the milk by 1/4 cup. All right, and since I'm doing flax eggs in here, I'm gonna add those 2 ingredients and just let it congeal for a couple minutes before I add the other wet ingredients. Now add applesauce, honey, or maple syrup if you want the vegan option, vanilla extract, lemon zest, and juice. If you don't like lemons that much, you can omit this. Now we're gonna mix that wet mix together and then fold into our dry ingredients. All right, now we're gonna spray a 9 by 13 by 2 pan with a little bit of oil. You can use any other type of pan or casserole dish as long as there's about 10 cups of volume within the pan. All right, and then we're just gonna scatter our strawberries and rhubarb along the bottom. Layer the fruit with our batter. All right, now we're just gonna sprinkle on some pecans. Then we're gonna throw it in a preheated oven at 375 degrees until it is set and golden brown across the top. All right, and our baked oatmeal is done. Mine took about 40 minutes, but it might take you more or less time. You can tell it's done because it's set and it's all golden brown across the top. And it just smells like strawberry and rhubarb in here. It's amazing. I hope you enjoy this super delicious strawberry rhubarb baked oatmeal. If you loved it, let us know in the comments. See you soon.